Hello everyone, this is for people who are thinking to invest in real estate for the first time. Top 3 real estate investing tips for beginners. Tip number 1, do your research. Investing in real estate is a big decision and you want to make sure you are making a smart investment. Research the area, the market, and the property itself before making any decisions. Remember, it's all about location. Tip number 2, know your budget and have a mortgage pre-approval in place to know your purchase price limit. Make sure you have a clear understanding of how much you can afford to spend and stick to it. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment and lead you to overspend. Tip number 3, hire a real estate agent. A good real estate agent will be able to guide you through the buying process and help you find the right property at the right price. They'll also be able to negotiate on your behalf and protect your interests. That's it for today's tips on real estate investing. Remember, investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to do it right. Follow me for more or call me at any time for any questions or concerns you might have. Have an awesome day.